Here's my beautiful compost that I made just 6 weeks ago. That was a bunch of squash plants and tomatoes plants. And then what I did was I ran it through this mesh. It's a quarter-inch, no, half-inch. Yeah, half-inch mesh. I ran it through that to get all the stuff like sticks and seeds from the apricots and peaches and things like that. So now I'm going to make my potting soil, and so I've got pumice, vermiculite, and coir. And so I'm going to mix that up in here, and I'll be right back to show you what that looks like. Well, apparently I hit the wrong button, so now I've made two parts out of this. I'll try to splice them together into one recording. But yeah, so here's my finished product. This is a beautiful mix of potting mix, and it's got the pumice, it's got coir and vermiculite, and as I showed you in the first video, the compost that 6 weeks ago I started in these barrels, and they were full to the top. And this is about just a little less than half full. So I put this barrel into this barrel, and so it all decomposed to about a quarter of its size.